Let's be honest for a second. Your CRM, the one you spent a fortune on, for most of us, it's just a fancy, expensive Rolodex. We put data in, we get data out. It's a system of record for sure, but is it a system of relationships? What if it could actually help you build real personal connections with your customers automatically and at scale? Well, the good news is it can. Stick with me for the next few minutes. I'm going to show you what the most innovative companies are doing right now to break free from the data graveyard. And you'll definitely want to stay till the end, where I'll share a new concept that completely flips the script on personalization and puts your customer in the driver's seat. Let's get into it. So, what's the problem? The problem is we've confused the tool with the job. The job we're hiring our CRM for isn't just to store customer information. That's a task. The real high-level job is to create a personalized customer experience. But we all struggle with this, right? Our automations, no matter how complex we build them, still feel robotic. Our data is all over the place. The marketing team has their data, sales has theirs, support has theirs, and the customer is stuck in the middle, having the same conversation over and over again. The solution is to elevate our thinking. We need to stop thinking about managing contacts and start thinking about orchestrating journeys. It's the difference between being a librarian who just catalogs books and being a personal guide who helps someone find the exact story they need right when they need it. So how do we do that? Well, it's a two-step process. First, we master what the best are doing today. Then we prepare for what's coming tomorrow. All right, step one. Let's talk about what the pros are doing right now. It's a concept called adaptive journey orchestration. This isn't just reacting to a click with a pre-programmed email. It's about using AI to understand a customer's intent in the moment and changing the entire experience for them on the fly. This isn't theory. This is the new battleground for the biggest names in the industry. Pioneers like Thunderhead built their entire company on this idea of real-time, customer-managed journeys. And today you see giants like Salesforce with their data cloud and Adobe with their real-time CDP spending billions to do the exact same thing. Unify all your customer data so you can act on it instantly. So what does this actually look like? Imagine Jane downloads a beginner's guide from your website. The old way? She gets a 2-week-long email sequence for beginners, no matter what. But a few weeks later, her boss asks her to research enterprise solutions. She comes back to your site and starts reading your security documentation. And an adaptive system sees this. It doesn't wait. In that very moment, it updates her profile. It pulls her out of the beginner email sequence, and the chatbot on the page, which was silent before, now pops up and says, "I see you're interested in our enterprise features. Can I connect you with a specialist?" That's the difference. It's moving from being a robot to being a responsive guide. It's powerful, and it's something you can build towards today. Okay, so that's what's working today. But what's the next leap? If today is about companies getting better at guessing what we want, tomorrow is about us, the customers, telling them. This is a new concept, the self-sovereign experience ledger. Forget cookies, forget tracking, forget companies scraping your data. Imagine you had a secure digital passport for all your preferences, owned and controlled entirely by you. This ledger would hold everything a company needs to give you a perfect experience, your preferred contact method, the topics you're interested in, the ads you never want to see again, your entire interaction history if you choose. And here's the key, you own it. To get access, a company has to ask you for permission. You hold the keys to your own data. Imagine visiting a new website. Instead of signing up, you click one button to grant them access to your ledger. Instantly, the site knows your name, knows you're an expert, not a beginner, and knows you're interested in their enterprise tools. The entire experience is perfectly personalized from the very first second with zero guesswork. It completely inverts the power dynamic and builds trust by default. It's a huge shift, but it's the logical endpoint of everything happening with data privacy and personalization. So there you have it. Practical two-step path to real innovation in CRM. It's not about ripping everything out, it's about evolving. Step 1, master the present. Focus your energy on becoming an adaptive organization that can listen and respond to your customers in real time. That alone will put you ahead of 90% of your competition. Step 2, prepare for the future. Start talking about what a customer-owned data model looks like. The companies that build the trust in the technology to operate in this new world will be the ones who win the next decade. Now, I've only scratched the surface here. I've written a very long, detailed blog post that goes deep into the frameworks and examples behind these ideas. If you're serious about this, you'll want to read it. The link is right down below in the description or in the first comment, depending on your platform. If you got value from this video and want more practical innovation strategies that you can actually use, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.